Hey there, lovely people out there.
Yes.
Thank you for tuning into another episode of YaadMentz Tries. Today we are trying some new Ole Xtreme Chips.
Well, I mean...
So, Ole Chips,
right.
They had Ole Chips before,
right.
but now they're saying that it's better.
The
flavor is extreme.
Yes, extreme.
So, we're going to try them today to see if they're all that extreme. So, they have 3 flavors.
You have nacho.
Yeah, they have ranch.
Extreme ranch.
Right, extreme ranch. So we have to put the extreme before.
Right. I have extreme nacho.
And you have my water glass.
Extreme barbecue.
Yeah, extreme barbecue. So we're gonna be trying them today. The packaging is pretty cool. It looks cute to me. Like this rebranded thing is. I like it. I'm feeling the packaging.
Because it says
it's an extreme packaging.
no cholesterol on it. So if you're watching your cholesterol, no cholesterol.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Yeah. They have 230 calories, just as a point of information, and the serving size is 1 pack, right?
Okay.
So, yeah, we're gonna try them first. Which one you want to try first?
All right, let me see.
Okay, done.
So we're gonna try the extreme nacho first. So we have our plate here.
I'm gonna throw them out.
Our plate, just throw out a few. Get the idea of what them look.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. This is which one? The nacho.
Can't smell it. Why am I cup of fish?
This is not extreme.
It's not extreme. It tastes like regular.
I'm so disappointed. I was expecting to get like a punch, like
a kick of nacho. It just tastes regular, like really regular.
Oh,
but the tortilla is good though.
Yeah, it's crunchy, it's fresh. But I mean, it's not extreme.
So you want to thumbs them up individually or like?
Let's do it now.
Okay. Thumbs down?
It's going to a thumbs down. Like it don't exactly reach a thumbs down because I mean it's still crunchy, but
it's nice.
For what it says, it's supposed to be extreme.
I'll give it a half thumbs. She'll give it a thumbs down.
A halfway thumbs down.
Halfway thumbs down? No, it's a thumbs down.
Yeah. So we're gonna try the other one.
You pick now.
Barbecue.
Yep.
Alright, this one, I'm looking at it, it's a little more red looking. Yeah.
I think it have a little bit more.
Yeah, it have more flavor than the nacho.
Than the nacho and the not extreme Ole's. That's a little bit more, not like top notch. I guess they're trying not to be overbearing with the flavoring. But it is.
Yeah, this one is not bad. I taste the flavor more in this one, definitely. For sure. It does taste like barbecue chips.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's alright. Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Thumbs up.
Halfway done.
Wow.
I'm still waiting to be wowed.
Wait, let me eat that one here. Don't want to see how much, isn't it?
I know.
But it's not bad. I mean, I think I only see them in like small packages. But if they do have big packages, it's something that you can buy for like parties or whatever. But
movie night or whatever.
And I think it's a cheaper option than the other brands.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So you can buy
it's something that you can definitely check it out.
You dip and you with your dip. And that's the ranch flavor. This has the lightest color, I should say, of all of them. But I guess because
the bag look a little bit though, like not really another one.
Alright, let's see.
It smells like noodle. Like chicken noodle. To me, that's how it smells.
I like this one. I like this one.
For some reason, like me, I taste chicken noodle.
This one is the most flavorful one of all of the extreme chips. I like this one.
I feel this.
I like it.
I rather the barbecue. I think the barbecue is better.
I like this.
For this one,
Tastes like ranch for real. If you guys know ranch dressing, tastes like ranch for choo-choo.
for this one,
I like this one.
you know what good with
What?
the jerk ketchup.
Whatever. We ain't gonna do that right now. On YaadMentz tries dark ketchup with Ole chips now. But what would you give this one in terms of thumbs up, thumbs down?
Half.
I give this one a thumbs up. So this one is actually my favorite one of all of them.
I don't know. I like the barbecue.
It was good.
The barbecue was better. For
Nice.
me. This just reminds me of like chicken noodle. If it do try it and it does have that chicken noodle essence to it, like well I am getting it, comment and tell me if I like
I
it.
think he's just being
No, for real, it's like
deceitful.
tastes like chicken noodle for real. Yeah. But hey guys,
Yeah.
that's our wrap for another episode of
Yep.
YaadMentz Tries. We tried the Ole Xtreme
Chips.
I get it wasn't all that extreme, but we tried anyway.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for viewing.
Yes, if you guys have tried it, let us know in the comments.
Yes.
If you guys also have suggestions for other things for us to try out there
try.
on the Jamaican market and otherwise,
Let us know so we can try it and tell you.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
appreciate all your suggestions that
Yes.
you love.
Yeah.
Thank you again for tuning in. Remember to
Like, subscribe, comment, share, follow us on Instagram.
definitely at the company that does this
Yeah.
at our Instagram on our
Should
Instagram.
you try it?
I mean, I feel like you should try it, but you guys know which one was my favorite one.
Yeah, I like barbecue. This is the
I
one.
like ranch. This one was just kind of. Oh, we're done! Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. You just ditched me. Anyway, guys, we will see you in our next video. Bye, guys.
When you're through watching this video, you can hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest videos. Also, head over to Instagram and follow us at YaadMentz so you can see our latest posts.